Hello guys. Have you updated your iPhone to iOS 17 and notification sound of Instagram has changed? In this video guide, I will teach you how to change Instagram/WhatsApp notification sound on iPhone. So let's begin, but before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. First, go to your iPhone settings. Now, click on Sounds and Haptics from Settings option. Under Sounds and Haptics settings, click on Text Tone option. Here, you can choose new notification sound for Instagram or WhatsApp. Finally, make sure that your sound notification is enabled for your iPhone. I hope following these settings has helped you to fix the notification sound problem after iOS update for Instagram and WhatsApp.